In order to help reduce overall costs of operations, the Hyster narrow aisle reach truck was designed to help simplify service needs. The pantograph can be disassembled to service or to replace parts without taking the carriage off. The mast wear plugs help reduce downtime because they allow for mast adjustments without shims, gauges, or disassembly. Further, no tools are required to access traction and hydraulic motors. By simplifying routine maintenance, this helps reduce the amount of technical labor required per truck.